Good morning, dear student. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher in Shivraj Singh Children Academy. In a previous lecture, we have learned about the geometric mean, and we can insert geometric mean and geometric mean between two positive numbers a and b, g1, g2, g3, so on, gn. Now today we will discuss about the geometric mean with the help of the examples. Now to insert one geometric mean between a and b, where a and b is the positive numbers a, we can insert one geometric mean only g between a and b. In a previous lecture, we find the g1 equal to a b upon a to the power 1 upon n plus 1, g2 a b upon a to the power 2 upon n plus 1, g3 equal to a b upon a to the power 3 upon n plus 1, so on. gn equal to a b upon a to the power n upon n plus 1. We have already studied in the previous lecture. Now in this lecture we can insert one geometric mean between their general. This is a general case and this is the special case. Special case for one geometric mean between a and b. Here we consider the g, only one geometric mean between a and b. Here a, value of g1, g equal to a b upon a to the power 1 upon n plus 1 and comma b. Here how many geometric mean between a and b? Student, only one geometric mean between a and b. Then put value of n equal to 1 and a comma a b upon a to the power 1 upon, here put the value of n equal to 1 plus 1 and comma b, a comma b. Here a comma a b to the power 1 by 2 upon a to the power 1 by 2 comma b. We can simplify here and we get the value of a to the power 1 by 2 and b to the power 1 by 2 comma b, and this gives the value square root ab and b. Already we know that the geometric mean between a and b is the square root ab. Example, to insert one geometric mean between 1 and 2. Here 1 comma 1 multiply 2 comma 2, 1 comma 2 square root 2. Square root 2 is the geometric mean between 1 and 2. We check this square root 2 is the geometric mean between 1 and 2. We find this is the GP. You check this sequence is the GP or not. We check, we find the value of r square root 2. Here value of r square root 2. Therefore the above sequence is a GP. Now again we discuss to insert three geometric mean between two positive numbers a and b. Okay student, here two geometric mean, to insert two geometric mean between a and b. A, let us consider two geometric mean g1 and g2 between two positive numbers a and b. Here find the value of g1, the value of the g1 this and value of g2 this. a comma g1 value a into b upon a to the power 1 upon n plus 1 comma a b upon a to the power 2 upon n plus 1 comma b. How many geometric mean between two numbers a and b is there is the two geometric mean. Then put the value of n equal to 2 and get the results. A comma a upon b upon a to the power 1 here n equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3 and a b upon a to the power 2 here put the value of n equal to 2 and 3 comma b. A we can simplify the value of this. Then here the power of a equal to 1 by 3 and power of a equal to 1. Then actually power of a equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 and here power of b equal to 1 by 3 comma here power of a equal to 1 and power of a equal to 2 by 3 1 minus 2 by 3 and b to the power 2 by 3 comma b. A comma here solve this 2 by 3 and b power 1 by 3 here a to the power 1 by 3 and b to the power 2 by 3 and comma b. Two geometric mean between a and b is the a to the first is the g1 is the a to the power 2 by 3 b to the power 1 by 3 and second is the g2 is the a to the power 1 by 3 and b to the power 2 by 3. This is the first geometric mean and this is the second geometric means. With you check this sequence is the GP or not. We find the common ratio a2 upon a1 a3 upon a2 a4 upon a3. Here we find the value of this common ratio a2 upon a1 is equal to a3 upon a2 equal to a4 upon a3. If it is satisfied this condition, then this is the GP. Either this is not a GP. Check whether this is a GP or not. A to the power 2 by 3 b to the power 1 by 3 upon a. This here a to the power 2 by 3 a to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 and b to the power 1 by 3 and here a to the power minus 1 by 3 and b to the power 1 by 3. This gives b upon a to the power 1 by 3. Similarly, we find the value of this, that means a to the power 1 by 3 into b to the power 2 by 3 divided by a to the power 2 by 3 into b to the power 1 by 2 by 3. We solve this and find the value of b upon a to the power 1 by 3. Similarly, we find the value of b upon a to the power 1 by 3 and b to the power 2 by 3. We find the value of these b by a to the power 1 by 3. Here the common ratio is the equal, hence this is the GP. And first geometric mean is the this and second geometric mean is the this. This concept understand by the given examples. Example, to insert two geometric mean between 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Here 1 and 2 we compare a equal to 1 and b equal to 2. 1 comma 2 g1 the value of g1 equal to 2 a to the power 2 by 3 and b to the power 1 by 3. Here a equal to 1 to the power 2 by 3 and b to the power 2 by 1 by 3 comma here a to the power 1 by 3 and b to the power 2 by 3. The value of b equal to 2 to the power 2 by 3 comma and value of b equal to 2. This gives 1 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 2 by 3 and comma 2. Check this is the GP or not. We find the common ratio here, 2 to the power 1 by 3. We find the common ratio here, 2 to the power 1 by 3. We find the common ratio here, 2 to the power 2 by 3. This gives the result 2 to the power 1 by 3. Here common ratio is the equal, hence this is a GP, and the first geometric mean is the 2 to the power 1 by 3, and second geometric mean is the 2 to the power 2 by 3. Now we can insert three geometric mean between two positive numbers A and B. Okay, student? A, G1, G2, G3, B. We can insert three geometric mean between A and B. Find the value of G1, G2 and G3. A, value of G1 equal to A, B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1, and G2 equal to A, B upon A to the power 2 upon n plus 1, and G3 equal to A, B upon A to the power 3 upon n plus 1 and B. How many geometric mean insert between A to B? There are three geometric mean between A and B. Then we can put the value of n equal to 3. A, comma, A, B upon A to the power 1 upon by n equal to 3. Put the value of n equal to 3. Why? Because you can insert three geometric mean between A and B. 3, 4, A, B upon A, 2 upon 3, 1, 4, and comma A, B upon A to the power 3 upon 4. A upon here A to the power 1 and here A to the power 1 by 4. Then complete A to the power 1 minus 1 by 4 and B to the power 1 by 4. Here 2 A to the power 1 and here A to the power 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 and B to the power 1 by 2. A and B upon A. A to the power 1 minus A to the power 3 by 4 and B to the power 3 by 4. This implies A comma A 4 1, that means 3 by 4 and B to the power 1 by 4, comma A to the power 1 by 2 and B to the power 1 by 2, comma A to the power 1 by 4, comma B to the power 3 by 4 and comma B. Here B. We can insert three geometric mean between two positive numbers A and B is, first is the, and second is this, and third is this. Now this concept understand by the examples. We let examples to insert three geometric mean between 1 and 2. To insert three geometric mean between 1 and 2. 1, first is the G1, second is the G2 and third is the G3 and 2. We can also use the formula this where A equal to 1 and B equal to 2, but we find the G1, G2, G3 in the traditional method. Also we find the value of this formula we can use. but we find that this value g1 equal to, here a equal to 1. Let common ratio is r, then and last term, that means 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, a5 equal to 2. Here fifth term of this geometric sequence is the an equal to an ar to the power n minus 1. Using this formula we find the a5. Here first term is the a r to the power 5 minus 1 equal to 2. Here a equal to 1, r to the power 4 is equal to 2. Now find r to the power 4 equal to 2 and r equal to the power 1 by 4. Find the value of g1. g1 is the second term of this gp. We can insert three geometric means g1, g2, g3. If g1, g2, g3 is the geometric mean between 1 and 2, then to make the 1, g1, g2, g3 comma 2 is the gp. Then the g1 is the second term of this gp. We find the second term of this gp, g1 equal to ar to the power 2 minus 1, that means this gives the value of ar. g1 equal to value of a equal to 1 and value of r equal to the power 1 by 4. g1 equal to the power 1 by 4. Similarly we find the value of g2. g2 is the third term of this gp, that means ar to the power 2 and g2 is equal to value of a equal to 1 and value of r equal to the power 1 by 4 and this power 2. g2 gives the value to the power 2 by 4, that means to the power 1 by 2. The value of g2 equal to the power 1 by 2. Similarly we find the value of g3. g3 is the ar square, that means the ar cube. g3 is the fourth term of this gp, then g3 is equal to ar to the power 3. The value of a equal to 1 and the value of r equal to the power 1 by 4 and to the power 3. g3 is equal to the power 3 by 4. Here we can insert three geometric means between 1 and 2. First is the g1. The value of g1 is the to the power 1 by 4 and the value of g2 equal to the power 1 by 2 and g3 equal to the power 3 by 4. We can written as the three geometric mean between 1 and 2 is, first is the g1, the value of g1 to the power 1 by 4 and the value of g2 equal to the power 1 by 2 and the value of g3 equal to the power 3 by 4 and the last term of this gp is the 2. Hence first geometric mean is the this, second geometric mean is the this and third geometric mean is the this. You can check whether this is the gp or not. We find the common ratio. Here common ratio is the 2 to the power 1 by 4 upon 1. This gives to the power 1 by 4. here common ratio is the to the power 1 by 2 upon to the power 1 by 4. This gives the value to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. This gives to the value 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 4. Here gives, similarly we find the value of r 3 upon 4 to the power 1 by 2. This gives to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This gives to the power 1 by 4. And here the value of common ratio 2 upon to the power 3 by 4. This gives the 2 to the power 1 minus 3 by 4 to the power 1 by 4. Here common ratio is the equal, and what is the common ratio? To the power 1 by 4. Hence this is the GP. I hope student you understand geometric mean with the help of the given example, and you can insert 2 geometric mean, 3 geometric mean, 4 geometric mean between 2 positive numbers. Student, we prove the formula n geometric mean between 2 positive numbers a and b, where we prove g1 equal to a b upon a to the power 1 upon n plus 1, g2 equal to a into b upon a to the power 2 upon n plus 1, and g3 equal to a b upon a to the power 3 upon n plus 1. Similarly way gn equal to a b upon a to the power n upon n plus 1. This formula understand with the help of the examples. Example first, insert 2 geometric mean. Insert 2 geometric mean between 1 and 64. Here 2 positive numbers 1 and 64. We can insert 2 geometric mean between 1 and 64. Here 1 comma g2 g1 g2 64. We can insert 2 geometric mean between 1 and 64. It is a g1 and g2. We find the value of g1 and g2 using by this formula. We have proved. Now here a equal to 1 and b equal to 64. Let us consider if the common ratio r, if g1 and g2 be the geometric mean between a1 and 64, then this make to gp. Then we consider the common ratio of the gp, that means this is the r. We find the value of g1 and g2. Here this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and this is the fourth term. Fourth term of gp is 64. That means a4 equal to 64. Now we find the value of a4 using formula an equal to a r to the power n minus 1. In this case, here a4 equal to a r to the power 4 minus 1. That means a4 equal to AR to the power 3. A4 equal to value of A equal to 1 and value of R, that means we consider the common ratio of this GP is the R. We write the R equal to R. A4 equal to R to the power 3. And here in this GP, the fourth term of this GP is the 64. According to question, R cube equal to 64. Then find the value of R. R equal to 64, cubic root of the 64. That means R equal to 4. R equal to 4. Here cubic root of 64 is equal to 64 is the written as 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. 4 4 ja 16 and 16 4 ja 64. That means the cubic root of the 64 is the 4. Here value of R equal to 4. We find the value of R equal to 4. Again we find the value of G1 and G2. Find the value of G1. G1 is the second term of this GP. G1 is the second term of this GP. Then using this formula, the second term of this GP equal to AR. AR to the power 2 minus 1, that means AR. Here put the value of A. Value of A equal to 1 and value of R equal to 4. Then this is a 4. G1 equal to 4. Similarly, we find value of G2. Here G2 equal to, G2 is the third term of this GP. Then this can be written as AR square. Third term of this GP, that means AR to the power 3 minus 1. G2 equal to AR square. Here G2 equal to value of A equal to 1 and value of R equal to 4. That is 4 square. G2 equal to 4 4 ja 16. G1 equal to 4 and G2 equal to 16. Then two geometric mean between 1 and 64 is the first is the 4 and second is the 16 16. Hence 1 comma 4 comma 16 comma 64. Between 1 and 64 is the two geometric mean 4 and 16. Check your answer is the right or wrong. That means why you are checking your answer is the right or wrong. We checking 4 and 16 is the number between 1 and 64. Yes, 4 and 16 is the number between 1 and 64. Next is the important you checking this 1, 4, 16 and 64 is the GP or not. You check this is the GP or not. We find the common ratio. Here we find the common ratio 4 upon 1 equal to 4. Here we find the common ratio 16 upon 4 equal to 4 and here we find the common ratio 64 upon 16, that means 4, and we find the here 4 common ratio, here 4 common ratio, here 4 common ratio. Then this is the GP and your answer will be correct. The geometric mean first geometric mean is the 4 and second geometric mean is the 16. Your first answer is the 4 and next answer is the 16. Homework. First question, to insert two geometric mean between 1 and 27, and next to insert three geometric mean between 2 and 1250. Student, you solve two questions for your concept of the geometric mean is the clear. If you cannot solve this question, that means your concept will be not clear. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the relationship between geometric mean and arithmetic mean. Thank you.